That looks good, Elmo.
Thank you, Lily.
Wow. Our painting is really coming along. The three of us are pretty good rainbow makers.
Yeah. Elmo, Sophia, and Lily made a rainbow.
Well, it's almost a rainbow.
Huh?
We've got red and orange and yellow, green, blue. We just need a little more purple.
Yeah. Purple.
Hey, it's okay. We'll get some more purple and we'll finish our rainbow.
Yeah.
Lily, are you okay?
Yeah. Why does Lily look so sad?
Well, I'm not sure I want to paint anymore. Doesn't really feel like a rainbow kind of day.
Lily, Elmo and I are your friends, and we're here for you. For anything you want to talk about.
Yeah.
Anything at all.
You know, Lily, sometimes when Elmo talks about his feelings, it makes Elmo feel better.
Well, it's just that, well, my bedroom is purple, and purple's my favorite color, and it reminds me of my bedroom. And, well, we don't have our own apartment anymore, and we've been staying in all different kinds of places.
Lily, no matter where you are, always remember, the thing about home is more than a house or an apartment. Home is really where the love is. That's why you and your parents are staying with me for a while. And we're gonna make sure that no matter what, there's always lots of love.
Yeah. Love.
Oh, and now that I know that you love purple, you can use my special purple bath towel, and you can wear my special purple sweatshirt, and you can use my favorite purple cereal bowl. What? Yeah.
Thanks, Sophia.
Oh.
That does make me feel better.
So, does Lily want to get some more purple paint so we can finish painting the rainbow?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, okay.
Children should never know what it's like to not have a permanent home. But sometimes that's what happens. That's why it's so important for grown-ups to encourage them to share their feelings and remind them that it's not their fault. We can let them know that they're not alone and that they'll be taken care of. Home is wherever the love lives, and you can take that love and hope with you wherever you go.
We found the purple.
Yeah. Oh, and we found these really pretty flower stickers too.
Oh, hey, look, this flower is a lily, just like your name is Lily. Did you know that the lily can be a sign of hope?
Thanks. A lily. Hey, that means no matter where I am, there's always hope and love.
We love you, Lily.
Yes, we do.
We love you too. Hey, maybe today could be a rainbow kind of day after all.
Yeah.